Hey everyone, my name's Leah with Leah Noell Design Co. and I'm a decorative furniture painter. And one of the things that I see quite often come through my shop is these spots right here that are made for wheels, usually on antique furniture. So sometimes antique furniture or furniture in general will come with wooden wheels. Sometimes one of the wooden wheels is broken, or in this case, it didn't come with any wooden wheels. So what I'm going to show you is a product you can buy at your hardware store. I use Menards. I'm from the Midwest. You probably have a Home Depot or a Lowe's or whatever kind of hardware store you have around you. So if your piece comes with wooden wheels, I would leave them on. I think the wooden ones are actually cooler, but we don't always have that option. So this one does not have any wheels on it, but it does have this metal ring. So what I'm going to show you is I buy this product right here, okay? And these are furniture wheels. They're like $2.50 for 4 of them, so they're really worth it. And this is a great way for me to be able to push this dresser around my shop when I'm working on it, and whenever I need to move it. A lot of times I use dollies, but this is also a great way to be able to move your furniture. And it's a good selling point for your customer because they can easily move the furniture as well, and they can take them off. So let me just show you guys how to use them. All right, so the first thing is you're gonna pull one of your wheels out, and it's gonna look like this. And it is 2 parts. So basically all you're gonna do is you're gonna pull it apart, all right? And if you already have a piece of furniture that has a hole in it, this is what this is for. These teeth will go right here, and you'll just kind of hammer this in. And I have another tutorial that I will share here that I show how to do that. But in this case, these metal rings are already in here. So somebody had put wood wheels on here and then decided they wanted to take the wheels off. And so they were able to. So it's a good option to have. So basically, you're left with this. So so this piece here is already in here. We don't need that anymore anyway. And we're gonna take this and we are just going to click it in. And there you go. We have wheels on our furniture. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that to all 4 of these, and I will be able to actually put this on its 4 feet and be ready to wheel it around my shop. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I like to pop in with furniture tips and tricks, and I also do a lot of different paint technique tutorials. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love to see you guys here. So thank you and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.